traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the Aussie has been very weak and causing the Aussie dollar to go down very strong, especially compared to other dollar pairs, which does tell you that this move is primarily caused by the Aussie, not necessarily the dollar. I still think at some point it is going to start making its way up to make this wave Y. 3 waves of W, 3 waves of X, and 3 waves of wave Y. But taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside. Very strong. I think at some point it is probably going to go up because I'm actually still looking at this as possibly a wave 1 and possibly a big expanding flat wave 2. And I still think it's going to make a higher low, and then now continuing back up for a wave 3, which is a wave 3 of C, which is a wave C of that WXY pattern that I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, ever since we had a break of structure probably almost 2 weeks ago now, way back up here, I would have been looking for nothing but shorts on shorter time frames. The trend is your friend and we just go with the flow. I still think there's a very good chance that this 5 waves up over here is a wave 1. I still think this is like 3 waves down, probably a wave A. This is probably 3 waves up right here, probably a wave B. I still think there's a pretty good chance this move down is a wave C. The fact that it's closing below the 178% actually makes me think that it may actually go down quite a bit further. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually, at this point, made it all the way down to the 261.8, ending a wave 2 and continuing back up for a wave 3. We do have US dollar interest rate next week, so maybe that's what's going to cause this to finally go back up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, the most recent structural level is way up here. So unless price just turns right up like that and takes out that structure, which I really doubt that it will, I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only going to go short on 3 way pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm not even remotely thinking about going long. I kind of hope that it does start a move to the upside. You know, something like this back here, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves up. That's exactly what I'm looking for in the future. I think that the next move will be a retracement to this last wave down. Nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So I'm looking for another 3 way pullback. I'm looking for another ABC correction to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I would definitely ignore any long opportunities that I saw, and I would definitely focus on going short at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.